How to fix charging not available liquid has been detected on your iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are having trouble charging your iPhone because of a liquid detection error, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you all the available solution to fix this issue and get your iPhone charging normally again. Now, let's dive right in. So, what exactly happens when you see the liquid detection error? When your iPhone's charging port or lightning cable gets wet, it triggers this alert to protect your device from potential damage. You will see two options on your screen that says dismiss and emergency override. If you select dismiss, it will clear the alert, but your device won't charge until the charging port or cable is completely dry. On the other hand, if you choose emergency override, you can charge your iPhone, but be cautious. This option poses a risk to your device, so it's advisable to try other methods first. Now, if your iPhone or lightning accessory has gone wet, here are the steps you should follow for proper drying. Start by disconnecting all cables and accessories from your device. Next, do not use external hair sources like hair dryers as they can make more harm than good. Instead, let your iPhone air dry in cool, dry place for at least 30 minutes. After that, check the charging port for any visible moisture before attempting to charge again. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. If you are still facing issues about trying these methods, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech related contents. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.